how to look clean and cute for school. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share some super easy tips on how to look clean and cute for school. Whether you're rushing out the door or have a little extra time in the morning, these tips will help you feel your best. First up is skincare. Starting your day with a clean face is so important. I like to use a gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt and oil, followed by a hydrating toner and moisturizer. Don't forget your sunscreen to protect your skin. Next, let's talk about makeup. A simple and fresh look is perfect for school. I usually go for a light foundation or BB cream, a bit of blush to add some color to my cheeks, and a touch of mascara to make my eyes pop. Finish off with a tinted lip balm for a natural look. Now onto hair. Keeping your hair neat and styled can make a big difference. Some easy go-to styles are a high ponytail, braids, or a cute half-up, half-down look. These styles are quick and help keep your hair out of your face during the day. Finally, let's pack our school bag with everything we need. Make sure to include your notebooks, pens, and any other essentials. I always like to bring a snack and a water bottle to stay energized and hydrated throughout the day. And there you have it. Those are my tips for looking clean and cute for school. Remember, the most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. I'm Minhu, signing off. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.